Jose Palofreco one more time. Thank you to subscribing on the channel. Today's video, as you guys can see, we got the Benz one more time, AMG C43 B-Turbo. On today's video, well, I really didn't show how to install it, but we installed the front lip and the rear diffuser, and that's about it. So I think you guys already know what's gonna be the next video, so stay tuned. Please comment down below if you guys liking what you guys see about this stage 2 C43 V8 B-Turbo. There is more coming. Suspension is next and some wheels, and thank you for subscribing.